Okay, today we're going to show you how to set up your computer to run your MyIT Labs, and you're going to have to do some browser tune-ups. The preferred browser, in fact the only browser you should use with this, is Chrome, the most recent version of Chrome. So to get to the browser tune-ups, you're going to, on the main page of myitlab.com, which is going to redirect to this page, that's where we want to start, you're going to go into the student section and click More. You're going to click right here, Home Computer Setup. We're going to select 2013. And then you're going to run the browser tune-up for the browser, for the, type of machine you have. If you have a PC, you're going to do the one here on the left. If you have a Mac, you're going to do the one on the right. Okay? And when you download this thing, there's a video here you can watch. You download this thing. It goes to a little zip file here, which you run. You actually should drag it to your desktop, right? Which I'll do. And here it is on my desktop. And then you run the setup version, and it walks you through the setup of the launch tool right here. Mine's set to repair because it was already on there, but you would be setting it to install. Okay, and then once it's installed, it will put an icon right here. I'm going to delete this now. It will put an icon right here somewhere on your computer that installs the browser tune-up program that you're going to have to do every time. So you're going to click on this program to launch it, and it's going to launch right on in here like this, and it goes through all the checks each time on how to do the browser tune-up. Now for some reason on mine it won't clear the cache, but typically you don't run into that, and then it opens up Chrome, and you log in. And you have to log in each time using that icon, okay? And then you should not run into any problems with the MyIT Labs. Now if you want to watch that video on how to do this, I will post links right below where you find this video in Angel, and that will help you run this tune-up yourself. But once you run this tune-up, and you have to do it before you start doing your labs, you should be all set. And remember, if you are accessing the book, so the book will show up in your labs. If you go like this, you click it. You won't be able to select from the different 102 classes, but in your 102 class, or 101, whichever class you're in, you'll go to course materials, manage your course materials. And here's your textbook right here. And if you click on your textbook, it's going to pop open in a pop-up. You have to make sure it's not blocked by your pop-up blocker. I've had several people who say that the textbook isn't working. The textbook is working. It just, if your pop-up blocker blocks it, you can't see it. You don't realize it's been blocked, or it may actually drop into the background. But the textbook is working, and so you can find it that way as well. If you have any questions, send me or your instructor an email if you're not in my class. But that's how to do the browser tune-up.